Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a phone number field in bit form. Let's begin. To edit your form, either click on the three-dot icon, then select Edit Form, or directly click on the form name. Here, search for the phone number field. Drag and drop the phone number field from the right sidebar into the form builder. Then navigate to the phone number field settings. Name is the unique identifier for the field, and you can modify it if needed. The label option allows you to set a name for the field label that will be displayed on the front end of the form. Subtitle is used to add additional information to the field. You can also add a subtitle for the phone number field. Admin label is used for administrative purposes and allows administrators to set a label name that will appear on the entries page. You can adjust the size and position of the field using these options. This feature allows you to provide clear instructions on what information to enter, making it easy for users to complete forms or documents. The helper text option enables you to provide short information about your input field, including any input restrictions and formatting requirements. The required option makes a form field mandatory and lets you customize the error message. You can show or hide the asterisk symbol by clicking this option. You can also choose the position of the asterisk symbol for the required field, before and after the label, on the right or left of the field. The read-only option allows visitors to view information without editing it, and this option ensures that important details remain accurate and unchanged. The disable option prevents users from entering or modifying any information in the form, ensuring that the form data remains accurate and unaltered. This option enables you to set a custom input format for the phone number field, which will be displayed when users enter their phone numbers. This option lets you specify how the phone number will be displayed after the user fills in the phone number field. The invalid error message option allows you to set a custom error message that will be displayed when a user inputs an invalid phone number. If you enable this option, the default search placeholder text will be displayed. You can also add a custom placeholder text for this field. If you disable this option, the search placeholder text will be removed. This option enables you to personalize the text message that will appear when a searched country is not found. By enabling this option, the flag image of the selected country will appear on the left side of the field. Enabling this option, the selected country clearable button will be visible. This option allows users to clear the search country from the field. If you enable this option, the option flag's image will be visible, and if you disable this option, the option flag's image will be hidden. Enabling this option allows the form to automatically detect the user's country based on their IP address when the form is loaded. By enabling this option will automatically detect the user's country based on the geo-location of their device when the form loads. If you enable this option, the phone number field will be hidden, and if you disable this option, the phone number field will be visible. This option allows you to set the maximum height for the drop-down list. By establishing a maximum height, the drop-down list will show only a limited number of options at once. Users can scroll the remaining options as needed. The unique entry option ensures that each form entry is unique, and it helps to prevent duplicates. You can also set a custom error message that will be displayed if an entry is not unique. This feature enables you to customize the label and country list by adding or removing specific countries as needed. You can also check a default country, disable or hide specific countries, and make other modifications as needed. Then click on the Update button. Now let's preview the form to review the phone number field. Here, you can see that the phone number field has been successfully added to the form. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.